When you think about BMW, the first images that come to mind are luxury sedans, performance coupes, and refined SUVs. But now, BMW has taken a bold step into uncharted territory, entering the motorhome market with the 2026 BMW Luxury RV. This isn't just a camper you park by the lake. It's an experience, a moving penthouse designed for people who want performance, comfort, and status, even when they're far away from the city. Today, I'm breaking down everything about this machine in detail, from the way it looks on the outside to how it feels on the inside, its performance, and yes, even what you can expect when it comes to price. The first thing you notice is the sheer presence of this RV. BMW has designed it to look like a seamless blend of their modern SUV language with the practicality of a motorhome. It's bold, muscular, and unmistakably BMW. At the front, you get a massive kidney grille, reinterpreted in a sleek and futuristic way, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights with BMW's laser technology. The front end almost looks like an enlarged X7, but with a sharper, more commanding stance. The side profile is long and elegant, with clean body lines running across its nearly 30-foot frame. Instead of looking like a bulky, boxy RV, the design is streamlined to reduce drag and maximize efficiency. You'll also notice flush-mounted door handles, chrome accents, and optional two-tone paint jobs that really emphasize its luxury presence. Sitting on massive 22-inch aerodynamic wheels, it doesn't just feel like a motorhome, it feels like a flagship luxury vehicle on steroids. Around the back, BMW kept things equally premium. Slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, giving it a futuristic and expensive look, while the bumper integrates a subtle diffuser and hidden tow hitch. Even the rear has a power tailgate for accessing storage, with compartments that feel more like a high-end yacht than a traditional camper. BMW wanted to make sure that if you're parked next to million-dollar yachts at a marina, this RV doesn't look out of place. Step inside, and you immediately realize why BMW is calling this a luxury RV. The interior is like walking into a luxury apartment designed by BMW's I division. The cabin is built with fine leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and even crystal accents. Ambient lighting runs across every surface, customizable in 64 colors. The driver's area is pure BMW. Digital cockpit with a massive curved display that integrates both the driver information screen and the central infotainment system. Gesture controls, voice activation, and touch make navigation effortless. It feels like a 7 Series, only bigger and more commanding. But what makes this RV special is what happens beyond the cockpit. The living space is unlike anything you've seen in a camper. There's a full lounge area with reclining leather chairs that rotate and adjust electronically. A 65-inch OLED TV drops down from the ceiling with a Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system built into the cabin walls. The kitchen isn't just functional, it's luxury grade, with induction cooktops, a hidden refrigerator, and marble effect countertops. You even get a built-in coffee machine that feels straight out of a luxury hotel suite. Moving further back, the BMW Luxury RV offers a spa-like bathroom with heated floors, a rainfall shower, and smart glass that can go from transparent to frosted with the touch of a button. The bedroom feels like a boutique hotel, complete with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and its own entertainment system. BMW even included an option for panoramic roof glass over the sleeping area, so you can fall asleep while looking at the stars. This isn't camping, it's high-class traveling. Now, let's talk performance. BMW didn't just want to make a house on wheels. They wanted to make sure it drives like a BMW. The luxury RV comes with a hybrid powertrain that pairs a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with BMW's latest electric motors, producing over 500 horsepower combined. That means despite its size, it accelerates more like a luxury SUV than a sluggish RV. All-wheel drive comes standard, along with adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts ride height for highways, city roads, and even light off-road situations. BMW also engineered rear-wheel steering, making tight turns and parking easier than you'd ever expect in a vehicle this size. On the highway, it glides effortlessly with minimal body roll, and the cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to extensive soundproofing. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly good for a motorhome. Thanks to its hybrid system, you can expect around 20 miles of pure electric range for city trips and improved fuel economy on longer journeys. It's not a Tesla-style EV, but it balances performance, efficiency, and practicality far better than most RVs on the market. Of course, none of this comes cheap. The 2026 BMW Luxury RV is priced starting at around $400,000, with higher trims and bespoke customization pushing it closer to $600,000. Yes, it's expensive, but this isn't meant for the average camper. It's aimed at high net worth individuals who want the ultimate freedom of travel without sacrificing comfort or status. So what you're really getting is more than just an RV. You're getting a mobile BMW flagship, something that delivers the brand's DNA of performance and luxury, but in a format that lets you take your lifestyle anywhere you want. Whether you're driving along coastal highways, parking in the mountains, or simply making a statement at a resort, the 2026 BMW Luxury RV is built to impress. This is BMW's boldest experiment yet, and while it might not be for everyone, it's proof that the future of luxury travel is changing. For those who can afford it, it's the closest thing to taking your penthouse suite on the road.